Hey there, awesome people. I hope you guys are doing great. Today in this video, I'll be helping you how to fix plastic AI skin and make AI models look real as possible. Now, I know we all have been there. We use tools like ChatGPT or Gemini to create our AI models by using our clothes that we are trying to sell, and we get something like something like this, which looks like, artificial, or which looks like cartoonish and stuff like that. And if you are trying to use these kind of images for your store or for your website, then I am really sorry to say that this is not going to help all your buyers to convert. So in this video, I have a tool that is really easy to use that I'll be teaching you just now. So without any further delay, let's hop into today's video. First, what I want you guys to do, go ahead and visit wearview.co and then log into your account. If you don't have one, go ahead and create one. It takes less than 10 seconds. And then click on the Try It Now button. Now, if you these are the features that are offered by WearView. Some of them include, AI Try-On Studio, AI Fashion Model, AI Ghost Mannequin AI Model Creation, which means you can create your very own model, and AI Post Control, which is for the models that you will be generating, AI Consistent Model, and AI Model Swap. Now, if you want your model to wear multiple dresses, maybe a t-shirt, pants, shoes, hats, or shades, you can go ahead and use AI Product to Model. Let me click on it, and there you will see a screen that says Select Products. And if you click on See What Works, it will teach you or show you what all things you can just upload. It says upload up to 4 product images to create a complete outfit on an AI model, which includes a dress, t-shirt, bags, shoes, and stuff like that. But if you have only one dress, you can use AI, product to model feature, but you can also go ahead and try AI try-on feature of WearView, which is very simple. So here, just select the garment that you want your AI model to wear. For this video, I'm going to choose a really simple image or a really simple dress that I want my AI model to wear. If I can find it, let me go to the new. I have this beautiful dress here that I want my AI models to wear. So I'll just select the dress, or if you want, you can select any sorts of garments or dress that you want. So select or upload your garments, then click on the next button. Here you will need to select your models. So if you have a model, then click on the Choose File button and select your model. But if you don't have a model, which is same for my case, I'll click on the My Model section and then go to Model Library. Here we have a huge collection of women AI models as well as men AI models. Now, by any chance, if you're not happy with all the AI models that we have, you can also create your very own AI model by clicking on Create AI Model, and then you'll have to prompt it, and you will have your very own AI model for your project or for your dress. Now, for this video, I will select one of the previous AI models that we have. Let's choose Astrid for this video, or for this dress that I have in my mind. I'll choose Astrid and then click on the next button. Now it will just show us this is the garment, this is the model that we are choosing, and so we both will be combining this. So that's what WearView is trying to explain. For quality, choose if you are really interested, or you are really serious about your business, then of course go to 4K. It is the best quality, but I will choose recommended, which is 2K. Hands down, this will also create really great image quality. For aspect ratio, you can choose 1:1 for square, 3:4, which is the default one. You can choose vertical as well as horizontal, so it depends on what you want. But for this video, I'll choose 3:4. For number of images, I will choose 1, and then finally click on the Generate button. Now this will generate our image. We selected our dress, we have selected our AI model. Now WearView will do its thing, and within a few seconds, like around 30 seconds, our model will be ready wearing our dress. So without any further delay, I'll just resume the video once the generation completes. Alright guys, so as you can see, our model is here. She is wearing our dress, and look at the clarity of the image. It just looks so real. No one will say that this is created by an AI or stuff like that. But by any chance, when you were choosing your dress, it had some artifacts in the background, and you can see the artifacts in this final image, and you want to get rid of it. Don't worry, click on the refine button, and then you can just go ahead and type something like remove background distraction, or clean white background, or enhance the color, sharpen the fabric texture, and stuff like that. Your creativity is the limit here, or the ceiling here. And you also have the option to flip the image horizontally if you want. Now this is just a single image, a single pose. If you want multiple poses, then you can go ahead and click on the pose control and then generate multiple poses for the same dress and the same model. And also you have the option to create AI fashion video from the same place, which means you will be creating a fashion video for your model, like your model is wearing the dress, and there will be a fashion video that you can just create within a few clicks. Well, that's pretty much it, guys. That's how you fix plastic skin, plastic AI skin. You are not the AI tool that you're using. It's not his fault. It's just the tool which you are using. Use WearView and create images like this one, and what I'll do, I'll just download this image and I will update it to my inventory, because I'm pretty sure high quality images like this are surely gonna sell my dress. All right, well, that's pretty much it for this video, guys. That's how you fix plastic AI skin and make your models, AI models, look as real as possible. Well, that's pretty much it. This is your Victor from WearView signing out. Have a great day, and I'll see you in the next video. Until that day, take care.